One of the reasons we love RealGUIDE is because inside the software you can complete your bone segmentation and you can do tooth and crown segmentation, and it's included in their prescription, their annual subscription. What does that mean? That means when you import your DICOM, you click a button, and in about 4 minutes you get bone seg. And it's a very good bone seg. We've compared it against all the others out there on the market, and it is just terrific. And it's also included, which is nice, and you don't have to leave the software to do the bone seg. You'll notice in the same tools, the same tool pop-up, that you can also do a root segmentation and a crown segmentation. What does that mean? That means it's going to take all the teeth in the arch, upper, lower, and it does it upper, lower separately, depending on which one you need. And it will pull out the clinical crown and the root as a separate file, right? And that way you can plan your cases better. You can visually see exactly where the root is in a bright color. So if you're trying to put an implant in it, around it, next to it, through it, or you're trying to put fixation between two roots, or you're going to be in a root, the visualization is perfect for you, the user, and then for whomever is going to complete the surgery. Maybe it's you. The visualization couldn't be any better. We've completed many cases with this because we're a beta company. And then you can also, if you wish, depending on the use for this, a little bit more advanced, but you can actually take your STL file that you've imported into the software, the STL file that has the teeth, the actual teeth or crowns, and it will separate the clinical crown now on the STL file and merge it with the root in the STL file. This is for making temporary restorations. This is to help get rid of scatter and visualization. It's really a neat tool. When you start playing with it, you'll hardly want to do a case without doing some type of segmentation. This will be available in the digital dock, which is the least expensive. It's the most affordable version of RealGUIDE. RealGUIDE's free, but then if you want these special tools in there, then you'll get a paid version of it, and you get this wonderful segmentation included. RealGUIDE has a great support team in all the time zones in the USA and really around the world. Just go to realguide.com and you can call, email, or chat, and they will support you on anything RealGUIDE.